Bullish Axie Infinity Axe cost forecast range somewhere in the range of $35.01 and $66.13 by 2030. Market experts accept Axe could reach $27.23 by 2025. Negative Axie Infinity market cost expectation for 2023 is $6.22. Axie Infinity Axe presentation. Axie Infinity is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure genuine prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie Infinity remarkable is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie Infinity Axe? Axie Infinity is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash Axe to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a landmarks mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games and has since seen a consistent expansion in prominence. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a standard premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet recreation game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie Infinity. The group behind Axie Infinity is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie Infinity is one of the most famous games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients DAO. The game areas of strength has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including seagoing, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them entirely variable and habitually unprecedented and one of a kind. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, intriguing, very uncommon, and incredible. Each Axie Magus variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and rearing games. Proprietors of Axe tokens can before long stake their tokens to get steady payouts. Holders of Axe will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, as opposed to specific other stakeable resources. Axie Infinity Shards. Axie Infinity Shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part Axe. These are utilized to partake in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token NFT. Each Axie is a non-fungible token NFT with remarkable characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires Insight Exp focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its real parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie Infinity is right now worth $7.78 USD. Axe has moved 133% as of now with an exchanging volume of $70.99 to $31,289. Axie Infinity is right now positioned 470 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $169,678,852 SE. Using the overall strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Axie Infinity Axe to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Axie Infinity Axe market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Axie Infinity Axe Value Expectation 2023. Axie Infinity, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Axe. The Axie's cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $11.67. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. averaging $1.89 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $9.34. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Axie Infinity Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $19.45. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Axie's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $15.56 and a typical exchanging cost of $17.12. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $27.23 and Axie might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $24.90 and a low of $23.34 in 2025. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Axie Infinity effectively supports market feeling among digital money devotees, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2026. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $35.01, with a base cost of $31.12 and a typical cost of $32.67. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $40.45 by 2027, with a base cost of $38.90 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $42.79. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $48.23. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $50.57, neglecting to accumulate the help Axie needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $46.68. Axie Infinity Axie Value Expectation 2029. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $54.46 and a yearly cost close above $58.35 in 2029. Axie Infinity Axie Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Axie Infinity will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $62.24 and possibly a